5.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain.
How to ice skate for beginners. Step on the ice, hand on the wall, and now you're going to put your feet together and you're just going to march up and down, lifting your knees up, making sure to stay on the ball of your foot, and you're just going to march across the ice and get used to this. And that's how to ice skate.
5 easiest ways to stop when ice skating. 1. T-stop. 2. Plow stop. 3. Hockey stop. 4. Slide on your butt stop. 5. Roll.